Stocks versus mutual funds. Which is right for you? Imagine you want to travel from one city to another. You have two options. One is to drive the car yourself. The other is to sit in a bus driven by an experienced driver. Stocks and mutual funds are exactly like this. When you invest in stocks, you are driving the car yourself. You choose the company. You decide when to buy. You decide when to sell. If you drive well, you reach fast. If you make a mistake, you can have an accident. When you invest in mutual funds, you sit in the bus driven by an expert. Many people sit in the same bus. The driver is the professional fund manager. He knows the road, he knows the speed, he knows the risk. Now let's understand this in a simple words. When you buy a stock, you buy a small piece of one company. Your money depends fully on that one company. If that company grows, your money grows fast. If that company falls, your money also falls fast. But in mutual funds, your money is not in one company. Your money is spread across many companies. So even if one company goes down, others can support your investment. That is why stocks are risky but can give high return, and mutual funds are safer but give steady returns. Now let's talk about efforts. Stocks needs time, study, and experience. You must watch news, results, charts, and market movements. Mutual funds are simple. You can invest and forget, and just check once in a while. Let me give you a small real-life example. Two friends started investing. One friend bought only one company's stock. The other friend started an SIP in a mutual fund. After some time, the company of the first friend went down badly. His investment also went down badly. But the second friend's money was in many companies. Some went up, some went down. But overall, his money stayed stable and slowly grew. So what should we do? If you are a beginner, mutual funds are the best starting point. If you are experienced and love learning about companies, you can invest in the stock too. And the smartest investors use both. In the end, remember one simple thing. First money is exciting, but safe and peaceful money is powerful. Choose the investment that lets you sleep peacefully at night. If you found this video useful, please like and share it. And for more simple finance videos, subscribe to Build Money Academy. This video is for education only. Please talk to a financial advisor before investing.